You try to download a game at midnight and the screen just says pending. Even after an hour, it is still the same. You will definitely feel angry. But before you throw your phone away, watch this video. I went through the same problem a few days ago. I thought about resetting my phone, but I was afraid of losing all my data. Then I found a trick that fixes everything without deleting any files. Today on the Phone Transformer channel, I will show you the real way to fix any Play Store error yourself. Follow exactly how I show you. If you miss one step, it might not work. So proceed very carefully. First, swipe up with your finger on the phone screen. Find the Settings app from your list of apps. It usually looks like a gear icon. Once you find Settings, tap on it to open. We are now in the main control panel of the phone. This is where all the magic starts. Sometimes finding options inside Settings can be a bit of a hassle. Do not worry, I am making it very easy for you. Go inside Settings and scroll down a little. You will see an option called Apps or App Management. Click on it. Now a long list of all the big and small apps on your phone will appear. From here, we need to find the app called Google Play Services. There are many Google apps here. If you enter the wrong app, it will not work, so watch closely. Once found, tap on Google Play Services to go inside. This app is the backbone of all Google apps on your phone. Now look down and you will see an option named Storage. Go inside it. Look at how much cache and junk data it is wasting here. This makes your Play Store slow and shows errors. Now directly tap the Clear Cache button. See, the cache memory became 0 immediately. If you do not clean these internal junks, the phone will always lag. Just clearing the cache is not enough. We have one more big task left. Now click on the Clear Data or Manage Space button next to it. Look at the very bottom. There is an option called Clear All Data. Tap on it and press OK to confirm. Do not be afraid. This will not delete any of your photos or videos. Only the old and corrupted settings of Google services will become like new. I was also afraid when I first did this. My hands were shaking a bit. I did it anyway, and immediately the phone felt brand new. Trust me, this will increase your phone performance a lot. Once done, check if the data has become 0. Now tap the back arrow on the top left to go back one step. Now click on the 3 small dots or the menu icon in the top right corner. From here, choose the Uninstall Updates option. Tap again to confirm this. This will bring your Google Play service back to the factory version. Now press the home button on the phone to return to the main screen. Find our original Google Play Store app and open it. See if the apps are loading now. If this trick helps you, then definitely stay with us by pressing the subscribe button. We always share genuine and effective tips here. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right of the app. From here, go to the Settings option at the very bottom. We have one last setting to check. Click on the About section inside Settings to open the drop-down menu. Scroll down a bit and you will see a button that says Update Play Store. Give it a tap. If your Play Store is already updated, a message will say Google Play Store is up to date. If an update is pending, the download will start automatically. This step is very important because old Play Store versions have many security bugs. Using the latest version is always better for your phone. That is it, all your work is done. Now restart the phone once and see how the Play Store works like new. Now you will not face any glitch or download pending error while downloading any big game or app. I know how painful it is to face these problems. If the video helps you, give it a like and let others see it too. If you have any other technical problems, do not forget to tell me in the comments. We will talk about something new in the next video. Stay well and stay healthy.